We are going to see the experiment number 3 of Power System Simulation Laboratory, that is power flow analysis using Gauss-Seidel method. There are several load flow analysis method like Gauss-Seidel method, Newton-Raphson method and fast decoupled method. We are going to do this experiment by using this Gauss-Seidel method. Here is the problem. They have given the data for different buses and they have given the bus type as slack bus, PV bus, PQ bus, and we have formed the Y bus by we have already seen the exercises before that, and here they have given the V1, V2 and we have assumed for V3 and V4. We can calculate the Q2 and this is under the limit. Therefore, bus 2 is treated as generator bus. And now we are going to find the value of voltages V2, V3 and V4 by using the formulas in Gauss-Seidel method. We have to use the data which we have already assumed before. And in such a way we can get the output. We are going to see the programs in M file. And we have to give the input in matrix form, that is we can see that input in the problems we have given. They have given these are the values we have to enter for the programs, and we have taken the values from the given data for voltage, and for voltage V3 and V4 we have assumed as 1, and real power value, reactive power value, and we have entered the limits given in the problem, and we have calculated the power value and voltage value. Now we can run the program in the MATLAB command window. Now we have to enter the input. As first we have start the input as input with the square bracket, starting bus, ending bus and impedance value as like this. Then second input value, starting bus, ending bus and impedance value. Third data, starting bus, ending bus, data given. Then we have to end with the square bracket, and we have obtained the value of Y bus, and we can obtain the new voltage values by using the formulas.